What if I told you that paying all your bills on time might not be enough to protect your credit score anymore? According to a breaking USA Today report from just 17 hours ago, average FICO scores are dropping nationwide. And it's not because people are being irresponsible. There's a hidden crisis in the credit scoring system that almost nobody is talking about. And if you don't understand it, your score could be next. 17 hours ago, USA Today dropped a bombshell report. Average FICO scores across America have started declining for the first time in over a decade. And here's the kicker. It's not because people are missing payments or maxing out cards. This is happening to people who are doing everything right. The report points to two major forces, what economists call a K-shaped economy and the rapid adoption of a new scoring model called FICO 10T. Let's break down the K-shaped economy first. Imagine the letter K. One line goes up, the other goes down. In economic terms, this means some people are thriving, saving more, investing, buying homes, while others are struggling with inflation, debt, and stagnant wages. But here's what most analysts miss. This divergence is making credit behavior more intentional. People are being more strategic with credit, which sounds good, right? Well, to the old FICO models, this new behavior looks risky. Now, the real game changer, FICO 10T. For decades, your credit score was a snapshot. It looked at your balances and payments at one moment in time. FICO 10T changes everything by analyzing 24 months of trended data. That's 2 full years of your financial behavior. Are you consistently carrying high balances? Do you pay off your cards every month? Are you opening new accounts frequently? This model sees patterns the old one missed. Here's a concrete example. Let's say you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit. Under the old system, if you had a balance of $3,000 one month, paid it off, then had another $3,000 balance the next month, it might not hurt much. But FICO 10T sees that as a pattern of high utilization. It doesn't just see the number, it sees the trend. And if that trend shows you're regularly using 30% or more of your limit, your score could drop even if you pay on time. So why is this adoption accelerating now? Lenders are hungry for more predictive models. In a volatile economy, they want to know not just if you pay, but how you manage credit over time. FICO 10T gives them that. And as more banks and credit card companies switch to this model, which is happening fast in 2026, your score could change overnight, even if your behavior hasn't. What does this mean for you? First, you need to think in trends, not snapshots. Stop focusing on just paying the minimum or even paying on time. You need to manage your credit utilization consistently low over months. Second, avoid sudden changes. Opening 3 new credit cards in a month might have been okay before, but now it signals instability. Third, monitor your trended data. Services like Experian Boost can show you what lenders see. Let me give you a real-world scenario. Meet Sarah. She has a 720 credit score. She pays every bill on time, but she uses 50% of her credit limit every month because she runs a small business. Under the old model, her score was stable. With FICO 10T, her score dropped to 680 because the trend shows high utilization. She didn't do anything wrong, the rules changed. This is happening to thousands of people right now. The bottom line, we're in a credit score revolution. The old playbook is obsolete. In 2026, you need to be proactive. Don't wait for your score to drop. Start today by reviewing your last 2 years of statements. Look for patterns. Are you consistently near your limits? Do you have months of zero balances? This is what matters now. And remember, this isn't about fear, it's about adaptation. The system is evolving and you can evolve with it. And you can, So here's my question for you. Have you noticed your credit score changing unexpectedly in the past few months, even though you're paying on time? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. And if this video helped you understand the FICO 10T crisis, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into credit and debt in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.